right, it's Tuesday, March 26th, just following up on the SPY again. Once again, I'm going to take a very small loss on this trade. I bought some calls right here in this reversal bar. I was expecting to get to the highs of the day and the pre-market highs and other highs that I've discussed on previous videos. We kind of failed here, red bar. Just wanted to see what happens. We're starting red again. So I'm just exiting that at I bought the 518 calls at 413. I was trying to break even, but essentially I'll get out at 405 right here, and a very small loss again. So I've tried 2 times now to buy calls on this, given the price action. But from a risk management standpoint, too much time's gone by. It hasn't really done. I mean, you can see here, we're just inside that first bar all morning long. So anything's possible. I mean, I can see by the end of the day still heading up to those targets and just missing it. I could see a breakdown possibly. We discussed, where's the, on the daily chart, I'll show it here, that we could be getting a 2-up day that just doesn't reach its target, doesn't reach the pre-market high, doesn't reach the high here back on Friday, and then reverses to the downside. And maybe the weekly chart, if we can get below the weekly open, goes red for a little while. We still have some areas to fill in the gap, but as the week gets longer and longer, then longer and longer into the week, then should we head down, then it's less likely we're going to hit the highs of last week. So anyway, today was a day I biased to the upside. I gave it 2 shots. You could see the market's just not cooperating. So just knowing what a good chart should look like, what good price action should look like, I just exited 2 times here. Pretty much very small losses on 2 trades, not a problem at all. I've had a couple of other good trades on, there was a good trade on Netflix that's moved up higher. And I actually bought some Boeing puts here that are moving low. If the market wants to really fall, and it looks like that's going to take out the low of the day, that's going to work out. So no problem in terms of the day, but in terms of the index itself, just not doing much right here. And I don't know, we'll see how it resolves. Maybe it's going to take out liquidity one more time before heading higher. Maybe it's going to go down there and fail. But it's not the type of thing, given we're above the midpoint of the prior day. I'm really comfortable going short, and the 2 buy trades just haven't materialized thus far.